Hi everyone, my name is Unity Stoakes. I am the co-founder and president of StartupHealth. StartupHealth is on a mission to achieve health moonshots. We are investing in a global army of what we call health transformers. These are the entrepreneurs, the innovators, the doctorpreneurs, the people all over the world, the innovators all over the world who are building and creating the next generation of solutions that are going to help solve the biggest health challenges of our time. We currently have the world's largest portfolio of digital health companies with over 350 companies from more than 26 countries around the world. And I'm really excited about this partnership with DOCSF and the launch of DOCSF 365 so that we can bring to you and introduce you to many of these founders, these health transformers, and the digital health solutions, the health innovation solutions that they are working on. So you can learn about the progress being made on the health moonshots that they're achieving, and you can learn, maybe even collaborate yourselves with many of these founders and help them on their journeys to bring new health solutions to the world. So incredibly excited about this collaboration. I am incredibly excited to introduce you to a new generation of really exciting innovators and health transformers, and hopefully get a chance to meet and get to know many of you as well. Hope you're all well, and to meet you soon.